In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, launch Messages app and select or create a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner of it. And to add an audio file, click Files. Now tap on Audio at the top and look for your file. You can also locate it in one of those apps, or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Either way, after finding it, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video on, hit Gallery section instead of Files, and if your video is recent, click on it here. If you see this pop-up, tap on Trim, trim it a little bit, and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, you can always select Folders and look for it over here. Then click on it, select Trim, adjust it and hit Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!